Find out the nature of the roots. Here given equation is 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 4. Therefore, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then d equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4. Then minus 5 whole square is 25 minus 4 into 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Minus into minus plus. 25 plus 32 is 57. Therefore, the discriminant is equal to 57, which is greater than 0, and also it is not a perfect square. Hence, the roots are unequal and irrational. The discriminant is greater than 0 and not a perfect square. Thank you, and please share and subscribe the channel.